Hey guys, German Art here, and today I got another unboxing video for you. Today I brought you two packages of pens, both from Faber Castell India ink, one with 4 and one with 8 pens, and like I said, both from Faber Castell. And first I want to show them to you. Okay, and now I'll start with the first package, the bigger one with 8 pens, and I line up all the pencils for you. So right now you can see the different shapes of those pencils, from small XS to big 1.5, and I really like this a lot because there are many different shades. They have many different shades. And the small pack you can see right here. Wait a second. You can see right here. It contains X, S, F, and B. So not only four pencils or pens. And this might be better if you have no experience with those kind of India ink pencils, pens, because they aren't that expensive like the bigger ones. And yes, so that's to say to these pencils. And in the end I want to say you that I really like those pencils. You can do a lot of different things with it. I link you some videos where I already used them, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like that, and also drawing videos, and check out my other videos in the info box or the link in the description. Bye for now.